In this video, I'm going to teach you how to order pizza in Meepcity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to order pizza in Meepcity, you will have to go over to your estate. So go to your estate and you will need to place down a specific piece of furniture to actually be able to order pizza. So when you walk up to your estate, go inside. And you need to place down a phone. If you already have a phone, then just walk up to it. But if you don't, click on this icon here. And on your attic, by default, you should have a phone available. Of course, it's the one that I place here. So all that you have to do is place it somewhere on your estate inside of your house. So it's going to be available here like this. And once it is on the attic, you will be able to take it from the attic and place it in your house. So once it is placed down, you will be able to order pizza using your phone. So walk up to it and you should see this icon here. For some reason it isn't working in my game, but it should work for you. So when you see this icon, it means that you can interact with the telephone. So you just tap or click on it and now you can customize your pizza. So the very first thing that you will see is the sauce. You can choose spicy sauce or the other option available. Then you can choose what cheese you want on the pizza and of course the toppings. You will see the total price here at the bottom. So for example, this delivery will cost you 10 coins, but the price might be higher or lower depending on the amount of toppings that you choose. Then once you have selected everything and you tap this button here, you will need to confirm order pizza delivery for this amount of coins. So in this example, 10 coins. If you leave the server, your order will be cancelled, so keep that in mind. Then you can tap OK, and now you just wait. It is going to be prepared, and after a chef has been done preparing your order, it will be delivered to you by another player. So they will walk up to your house, you will be able to greet them, and place down the pizza wherever you want, for example on the table. Then you can pick a slice and start eating. So all that you have to do is use the telephone to order pizza. I hope I was able to help you on how to order pizza in Meepcity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.